This is Paige Montner reporting to you from Connecticut, and this is the Keep Up. From every corner of the world, scientists are racing to find a vaccine to stop the coronavirus, and no one seems to be moving as fast as Oxford University. While there are many teams with small clinical trials consisting of a few hundred participants, the Jenner Institute at Oxford University is planning to test their new coronavirus vaccine on more than 6,000 people by the end of next month. The lab is steps ahead of others around the world due to technology previously developed for other viruses. The university is hopeful to have the vaccine widely available by September. Sarah Gilbert, the professor of vaccinology at Oxford, explains to us more about the vaccine.
What we're doing with any vaccine is trying to trick the immune system into thinking that there's a serious infection here that the immune system needs to respond to.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, who is the head of National Institutes of Allergies and Infectious Diseases, says vaccines work in a multitude of ways.
Using everything from genetic immunization with RNA and DNA vaccines, viral vectors, live attenuated proteins, nanoparticles, etc.
Dr. Peter Hotez, a vaccine expert at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston, says that the assortment of technologies is a very good thing and will hopefully speed up the process of finding a vaccine, something that should usually take much longer to produce than the time being allotted.
By having that diverse array of different technologies, it increases the likelihood that you'll get one or two or three that will reach the finish line.
In order to see whether the vaccine will work or not, volunteers to test the vaccine are needed. 31-year-old medical student and PhD candidate Sean Doyle is up to be a human guinea pig for the coronavirus vaccine.
If my participation in this trial and other folks' participation in this trial and other trials ongoing around the world for the development of vaccine help reach that goal, I think it's definitely worth it, in my opinion, to be a human guinea pig.
As many may wonder what the potential risks of participating in this trial may be, for Doyle, that is not of his biggest concerns.
The physicians that are leading the trial really did a great job explaining what the potential risks would be as a participant in this trial. And in my opinion, I think the potential benefits far outweigh those risks.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says we are dealing with an unprecedented global health problem. So as schools and businesses are still closed, we look to labs around the world for an answer to end COVID-19. I hope you're able to keep up with me. This is Paige Montner.